round 4 of Drift Masters is one on the calendar that nobody needs an intro to. It's Riga.
It's probably one of my most favourite tracks in the whole of Europe.
From the minute you leave the start line all the way to the finish line, you're just full power.
It is one of the best events in the drift calendar for Europe, full stop.
Going through the woods, you've got like walls like 2 meters from the track, and it just takes a hell out of a commitment.
It's an insane track, and the after party, well, it just goes off.
This is what they wanted, ain't it? These lines keep on blowing. Keep the walls on the sheet. The party's calling. You don't believe in God, then boy, believe in me. Come for the kid, I'll uproot your whole family tree. The money's dirty, the suit is clean, my swag is mean. I got a shine on the kid, they throwing shade on my tree. Pass the mic and let me rock. Let these pretty women truck. Pops planted a seed, mama push. This is my birth. All I know is what I see. All I see is pain and money. Wonder why I go hard. I chase it like it's running from me. Tell me quick things come to those who patiently wait. So I waited and waited. Nothing came, so now I take it. All I know. I believe these lines keep on blowing. Keep the walls on the sheet. The candle black, the party's calling. I got to listen and to hear it together. The voice of reason, dumping season, dropping.